Alright, we're 12 days in. That makes this calendar halfway done. Let's see what we have. Oh, we have a... I don't know what this is. Well, there's the little making picture thing, so that you guys can see it, but let's go ahead and build the thing. Actually has a surprising amount of pieces. Let's do the normal opening the bag off camera here. Keeps the blather up so that, you know, there's no dead air. Alright, so got a nice little collection of stuff, including yet another Lego that I've never seen before. So let's start with the 2x1 plate, and we're going to put these little meat bricks here that have the interlocking teeth, but it wants the straight ones on the outside here, or the horizontal ones. They're all straight. But and then we're going to take this grate block, and we'll put it there. And then it looks like we need to put these here and here. And then we need to put these little gun things. They're gonna go here and here, like that. And then we need these things are going to go like that and like that. Oops, so I decouple that brick, but we'll fix that. There we go. Okay, and then this gray center pin block is going to go like that, and then we're going to put the thingy like that. I still have no idea what that thing is. Never seen those before. That calls for the pink stud, goes there, and then this weird little thing goes there. I'm assuming this is supposed to be some sort of ice cream machine or dispenser of some sort. I don't know. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think this is. In the meanwhile, if you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. If you'd like to learn a little bit about what this thing is, you can click right here. Right over here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist, and right here is a link to Patreon that you can use to support the other things I do on this channel. So thanks so much for joining me for day 12, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.